I gotta say the water is warmer on the French side. Don't you think the water is warmer on the French side?
No, I think it's delusional.
So we're here on another beach. We're here on Grand Case Beach. We've spent the afternoon and getting into the early evening here. We spent it at Rainbow Club and it's been great. The food was awesome. And we got some nice sandbag beach chairs that we've been vibing on.
We rented those, and we also got some pina coladas, which have been really, really tasty. So good, such a vibe, and yeah, it's just been incredible. I really like this area. Honestly, we're gonna research it, but I feel like we're on gold sand. It doesn't look white to me, and this is not from the rain, I don't believe. I believe we're on a gold sand beach, but I'm gonna look that up.
Sounds good. So you do your research and
Then I'll
let them know. So
yes.
let's show you guys around this place. So there's a nice stretch of sand here. It's not quite as wide as Orient Bay, but look at the picturesque views. We got mountains, houses, beach clubs, a whole bunch of boats, blue waters. It's about 5 p.m. right now, so the sun is on its way down, not quite yet, but as you can see, it's very picturesque. The waves are a little bit more heavy right now. Earlier when we were eating lunch, it was pretty calm out here, wasn't it?
Super calm. Like there was people snorkeling and it was so blue. Like if we could get the scene, maybe Michael could throw it in. If we can get a scene from what we had lunch in the background, it was like probably the most bluest I've seen yet to date, and it's super, super, super calm. Michael's right. The beach is much more narrow and not as long, but such a different vibe. Very, very, very cool. When you do walk into the ocean, it does kind of skate down, so different than Orient Bay. How do you say it? Orient Bay, sorry. These pina coladas are very cheap. But honestly, such a good time here. I've had a lot of fun today. If you're gonna go on any beach club, it's probably be the Rainbow Café. The music was so good. Now it's slower.
Sat right by the DJ and everything. It was crazy. That right there is a Rainbow Club Cafe. We got one of the sandbags that people are lounging on. We got one each. Rainbow Cafe's up there. They had some live entertainment on earlier. It's been crazy vibes.
Yes, it was a lot of fun. Like, this is Valentine's Day, so we did it a little bit more special. And honestly, I don't regret coming to the French side whatsoever. You definitely need to come out here and check out the beaches, check out the vibe, have at least one lunch or dinner here, and just, bang it off your bucket list.
How was your food at the Rainbow Cafe?
It was really good. I had the Caesar salad. It was huge, and there was chicken in it. It was so good. The chicken was really, really, really good, tasty, and the salad was not soaked in sauce, which I love.
I myself had a double smash burger with homemade fries, and I gotta tell you, it's the best burger and fries I've had. They really make some culinary masterpieces out here. It sounds basic, but it was really, really good.
Yeah,
really good. As you can see behind me, the architecture of all the beach clubs and shops, very different, very unique. Definitely a sight to see.
Tables here, the tables that you can have a drink at and keep your feet in the water. I think that's super cool. And there's airplanes still passing by.
Oh yeah, airplanes. Look at that. Look at that. Cannot get enough of these views. Can't get enough of these mountain views. Can't get enough.
This is a really only modern beach club here.
Right.
Even though I don't know about that other one, there's another one called Grand Bend Beach Club. It's all over Instagram as well.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Grand Bend or Grand Case?
Grand Case. Grand Case Beach Club. But it's in the opposite directions, at the end.
I gotta say the water is warmer on the French side. Don't you think the water is warmer on the French side?
No, I think it's delusional. But maybe.
Really? At Maho Beach, the waterfall is much colder than this.
Well, we didn't go to Maho yet. Mullet? Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Mullet Beach.
We have to go to Maho. We went there in the evening, but we're gonna go there in, I think it is the morning time or early afternoon before it gets busy. Once it gets afternoon, it's super packed. And you can apparently still see airplanes there. So we'll see. But you know what? You might be right. You might be right, but I feel like when you go into the ocean, it's first like chilly, but it gets warm very quickly.
Yeah, I agree, but right here it's not too bad when it hits you. Normally, like, I go, ooh, but I'm not even doing that. See? It's not bad at all. Sand is super comfortable.
Yeah, it's so soft.
Very soft. Very soft.
It's very soft. But this beach especially. This beach especially for sure.
So we decided to come and try out one of these tables and have our feet in the water. It is wonderful.
It's such a vibe. I've never seen this before on any beach.
No,
That's super cool.
it's new.
Yeah,
It's awesome.
it is for us.
But we hope you guys enjoyed this tour of a little Grand Case vlog. If you want to see more travel adventures, make sure to like, subscribe, also drop a comment and let us know where your favorite travel spot is. We'd love to hear it. See ya.
See you next time.